impressions of Muhammad Yusuf Nawaz. Hey. Yusuf going through the big tunnel. We passed that test, and Yusuf going through this big tunnel. Yeah, we are going to this turn. Hey, just not go.
Can I go with him? Yes, sir.
Go.
Here, only.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yusuf's first test. He's doing his own. Come on, come on. Chalo na, Joe. Come on, go. Go. Go, go. Go, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Don't worry, he's not going to fall. Just pick him up and put it down. Put him down. Yeah. There is now two tunnels. One on the left, one on the right. We are going through the right. Come on, Yusuf. No, he'll go his own. Yeah. Hey. Come on this way. Yusuf. Hey. You want to go that way? Huh? Yeah. Yusuf, come here. This way. Yeah. Chalo. You go.
Come on, you have to come with me.
Yeah. Chalo. Yusuf getting his own. Come on. Come on. Yay! Yay! There you go. Oh, Yusuf passed this tunnel test. Yeah. Hey, Yusuf. This tunnel, one is over there, and is Yusuf is there.